d'aide. A few weeks ago, I was out on a night ride with my neighbor, Eric. Funny story, we first met when I was wheeling past his house and he yelled out to get my attention. I stopped and he took me to his backyard to show me his Stout Bumper clone. Fast forward to this ride and Eric's telling me about all the bikes he's owned. Then, out of nowhere, he says he's got an old 1984 Teardown 250 was about to sell, but instead he wants to give it to me. I am stoked. That night, I just thanked God for all the blessings coming my way.
The next day,
we went to grab it from a friend's place. Turns out, his kids were done with it. And weirdly enough, they went to school with my brother and played basketball in the same team. Small world. We got it home, tried starting it. It would rumble but never idle. Another neighbor came by, a younger guy. He said the car probably needed work. Was right. I tore into it and cleaned the main jet. Couldn't reach the pilot jet without a special screwdriver. Put it back together and...
New high score!
the next day,
My friend came over with the right screwdriver. We cleaned the pilot jet and then... it fired up. We were in business. Eric even stopped by later to show me how it's really done.
Là, t'as donné un peu trop de gaz, puis tu l'as lâché un peu trop vite. Il y a deux chances à faire ça.
Tu stack your out. Vas-y, vas-y, vite, vite, vite. Bon. Wouhou! Il est emballeux, Annecy. Bon.
L'aide.
Oh yeah! Bon. 1, 10.
Hey, il roule trop vite, là. Tantôt, je pensais qu'il était sur le choc du temps, il a oublié de l'ôter.
Tu ramenais à ton enfance, là, reprendre ces bikes-là?
Mais un coup, tu vas après à le runner, là.
Ouais.
C'est tellement plus le fun parce que t'as du power qui est puissant avec des bons breaks.
Ouais.
Bon, on veut ça de bord, on veut faire un tour à l'eau.
Ah, je
Ouais, regarde, part un peu en...
Non.
I take it for a spin.
Oh my god. This is so sick. Hey, c'était incroyable! Meilleur feeling. Au début, j'étais bon pour shifter. Vers la fin, ça faisait moins de coups, là. Mais vraiment, partir, c'était mon problème, là. Même en charge, j'étais capable de shifter bien normal, mais c'est vraiment le partir, mon problème, là. Ah ouais, le point friction, là. Ah, c'est incroyable, hein? Merci, c'est un cadeau, là.
Had the time of my life, but the backseat issues. Dead battery, no rear brake. So I cracked open the rear wheel. I think I'm the first one to ever open this thing. Inside, a super rusted drum brake. I didn't even know these old bikes use drum brakes. I swapped in the new pads, gave it a once over, and even made a little seat for it. And there she is, the new KLR 250. Thanks for watching. More content coming soon.
Oh my god.